I start this process, I do want to go ahead and let y'all know that I'm not going to be adding as much product to my hair as I would if I was doing a client. The reason being for that is because I know that I'm going to take it down within a few days. Like, I'm not worried about longevity or anything like that. So basically, I'm going to use as less products as possible with this tutorial. But I will be showing you guys on someone else how I would do this same style. So, jumping straight into the tutorial, I'm going to start out with clean, blown out hair. And I'm going to take my comb and go ahead and start to pass the flat iron through. Ideally you want every single strand of your hair to be straight. You don't want to be able to see any of the texture in your roots, especially if you're doing a straight ponytail, or if you're doing even like a body wave. You want to make sure that your hair is straight and it matches the actual texture of the bundles. This is what my bundles look like. I will have the link down below as to where I got this hair from if you're interested. As far as the brush, this may seem like common sense, but you want to make sure that you use a brush with more bristles versus a brush that has less bristles. This is going to play a big part in how your ponytail actually comes out. Here you see me just taking out some of my baby hair before I start to form my ponytail. As far as the products that I'm using, this is going to be my main product that I'm using, and I am using the Got To Be Glued spray. Now, depending on how long you want your ponytail to last, you can use as much as you want. And you see me just forming my ponytail, making sure that I get every single hair into place. No lumps, no bumps, no humps. You want everything to be very detailed, tight, and put together very nicely. Make sure you don't pull your ponytail too tight. I've seen a couple of people lose hair in the middle from pulling their ponytail too tight, or possibly adding bobby pins and having that pressure on your scalp can possibly cause you to lose your hair. So be careful with that. So here's what my ponytail looks like. You want to go ahead and braid your hair down. Some people like to twist it, but whatever you do, just make sure you do it as tight as you can so that your ponytail is as skinny as possible. This is what my braid looks like because my hair is kind of thick, so this is the tightest that I could get my pony. Next, I'm going to take some wrapping paper and wrap that around my hair just to secure my hair before I add any glue, so I make sure that none of the glue touches my hair. And I'm using the Got To Be to kind of secure that as well. And I'm also going to take another piece on top of that just to be super cautious, because I don't want any of that glue to touch my hair. And once I get done doing that, I'm just going to secure it with a rubber band. Now I'm adding the glue onto the wefts of the bundles, and I'm just going to apply that onto the entire weft. This was a very messy process, okay? But I made it through. Watch me struggle. But basically, I'm just adding the glue onto the weft, and I'm just going to take that and wrap that from the bottom of the end paper, not the bottom of my hair where you see my hair hanging out. Like I stated, I don't want any of the glue to touch my hair, so I'm starting at the end of the paper, and I'm just going to wrap it simply from the bottom to the top. Now you can do your ponytail as thick as you want it, so you can use more than one bundle. For today, I'm just going to use one bundle just to simply show you guys how to do this. And if you guys want more tutorials, just let me know. So yeah, I'm just going to wrap from bottom to top. As I told you guys, it gets very messy. It's kind of harder to do on myself, so that's why I was struggling a little bit, but I made it through, okay? Throughout this process, you will see me stopping to add more glue or to take my dryer and kind of dry the wefts as I place them around my actual ponytail so that I can just reassure myself that it's drying. Once I get to the very top, I'm not going to double those wefts, and I'm going to make sure that I don't double them because I like for the top of my ponytail to be as skinny as possible because it's a more natural look. I don't want any bulk around the actual ponytail. So I'm going to take my dryer and I'm just going to dry that just to make sure that the wefts are dry. If you have a dryer to sit up under, you can do that, but for tutorial purposes, I am using my hand dryer. So once that's done, I'm just going to brush out my ponytail, make sure I get all of the glue that I may have gotten on the hair. Like I said, this was very messy for me, if I'm honest, because doing it on myself was a little harder than doing it on someone else. Now I'm going to hide the weft by taking some hair from the back of my ponytail, and I'm just going to use a flat iron to smooth it out, and I'm also going to spray that with my Got To Be Glued freeze spray so that I can make sure that the ponytail looks nice and neat. And I'm just going to simply just wrap that around until I get it all secured. Once that's done, I'm going to flat iron my ponytail, and I'm pretty much done here. You have the option to straighten the ponytail or you can curl it. So on this look, I'm going for a straight look. I feel like you can do so much with this ponytail. It's so lightweight, it's comfortable, it's so cute. Like, it's so cute and I love it. Lastly, I'm going to slay my baby hairs, and I'm using my handy dandy toothbrush, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, beauties. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I have so many things in store. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, you know, all that fun stuff. If you guys have any type of videos that you want to see from me, any type of tutorials that you guys are interested in seeing, anything that you may need help with, definitely leave a comment down below. Follow me on Instagram also. I will be putting more videos up there as well, since, you know, the whole Instagram TV thing is there now. So I definitely will be posting videos on there as well, boo-boo. Let me know what you guys think about this fine pony, honey. Yes. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.